So welcome back to this video. Let me just continue editing this template, and I've just done all of this, and I can just add any information that I have to this. Let me put something from ChatGPT. I think this is enough. I can delete this too. And then welcome to all tech is education. We can use any of that. Don't forget, this is just for demonstration purposes, and I may not put in the perfect details. And then our department, I'll say business and management, graphics and web design. So this I say social media management, and you have core coding departments. These are just say sales and marketing goes here, and then this one everything design, branding and social media goes here. And I can take core coding, core technical skills like programming. Goes here. And I can also change this picture by clicking this edit image, and leads me to my media library. But now I'll close it, and you can add more item if you want. A popular courses, all of the courses that I have or that we have in this place, I can just populate with everything correctly, and it can see how easy it is to use WordPress now. This and this, just edit everything, just edit the details, how many learners, how many. If you don't want an icon, click on it and it will load the icon library for you to edit the icon. Sometimes it takes time. And then meet our professors, you can just change it to the picture of the team, and I think I'm fine with this. All I have to do is just to press this save, and we can keep doing the same thing for all of the pages. This is just the home page, and we have about course blog. You can just keep doing the same thing for other pages too. So what you have saved already, we change here. Is it welcome to TechFace Academy, which means there's a picture here that is not loading right. I can quickly fix that before I leave this page. So this picture is not loading. I can just click edit and load this picture there. See, this picture is too big. Now we can set these to make sure that these two look fine. All I just have to do is set up the block star. We need to click these settings, and now this might require some advanced knowledge which I don't expect you to have, because I need to set up the, if I either use this height or set up a manual padding and margin between the two of them, this, so that they can both fit well. Or I may just do some CSS justification or a flex pose to make sure that these two are looking very beautiful when they are beside each other. But then I don't want to go too technical into something that you won't understand while you are starting out. You can just click save right now, and I should have an image there. You can see the image that we have right here. And then let me go to another page. We can just do the same thing for other pages too. I can then click this, close this. So this page now has a color as the which is the color that I set when I was editing the page. I didn't set it to picture, and I can just edit everything that is here too. All I have to do is just click this edit page, and I'll be able to edit the whole content of this page too. You can say welcome to the university. Let's say, let me copy this. I don't think I need all of this information, and I can change this too. Now you can start populating white users admission, admission, department. Yeah, this is what the template is very good at. You can just keep editing everything, editing, and then once you get to this place where you need to add partners, you can delete or change them, or you can remove the entire thing by just clicking around them. So if you click on one, it's going to select that particular one. Just go a bit outside of the box or outside of the single and click, and then it's going to hold everything. Then we can press delete on our keyboard to remove everything if you don't want, and I'll click save. So this page too will be saved. I can keep doing the same thing for every other pages like that. The only page that needs to be handled with very care, blog page and contact page, and I will explain that real quick. The blog page is meant to be populated dynamically with some new content that we have, so we can't just edit it by removing the content that is there. So we need to put proper content through writing post, which we are going to see in the next video. And the about page too, for or the contact page, we want to make sure that the information the user is sending is reaching us. So what we'll put there is not like just editing the page randomly like that. We want to make sure that we collect the form from the user, which I'll also be implementing in the nearest video. I trust that you are learning so well in this web design course. Do drop a proper rating and invite others to join this course. See you in the next video.